A pizza shop estimates that the time x hours to deliver a pizza from when it is ordered is a continuous random variable with probability density function given as shown here. What is the probability of a pizza being delivered within half an hour of being ordered? So that will just be the area under this function between 0 and 0.5. So that's the integral from 0 to 0.5 of 4/3 take away 2/3 x dx. And we don't really need to show any working here for 2 marks, so we can just do that on the calculator, and the answer will be 0.5833. Calculate the mean delivery time to the nearest minute. So what we're after there is the expectation of x, and we can always get that for a continuous by doing the integral of x f of x dx over all values of x that are relevant, and for us that means between 0 and 1. So we're going to have the integral from 0 to 1 of x, and the f of x is 4/3 minus 2/3 x dx. Once again, that's probably enough working if we just evaluate on the calculator. So that is 0.4444. Now, it does say mean delivery time, so we should give that in terms of hours because the question is in hours. So we see that up here. So if we do 0.4444 times 60, we get 26.664 minutes. So nearest minute, we're going to say 27 minutes. Calculate the standard deviation of the delivery time to the nearest minute. Now, I usually do this using var x is the expectation of x squared. Take away the expectation of x squared. So, the expectation of x squared is going to be the integral from 0 to 1 of x squared times f of x. So 4/3 take away 2/3 x dx. And we can do that on the calculator, and it is 0.2777. So var x is going to be 0.2777 take away 0.4444 squared. That's the expectation of x squared there. And that gives me 0.0802. And so the standard deviation is going to be the square root of 0.0802. And that gives me 0.2833. Once again, we want that in minutes. So 0.2833 times 60 is approximately 17 minutes, or it's 17 minutes to the nearest minute.